Hello, friends! Hello, friends. I'm BuilderBot, and today I have a big question. What even is a web page? I want to build one, but I don't know where to start. Hee-hee! Will you help me figure it out? Let's go! Okay, you know when you watch videos or play games on a computer? The screen you're looking at is called a web. It's like a page in a storybook, but it lives inside your computer. And just like a storybook page has words and pictures, a web page can have those too.
But here's the secret. Something invisible makes a web page work. It's called HTML.
HTML is like instructions that tell the computer what to show. Wow.
You write the instructions. The computer reads them. And poof! A web page appears. The computer that reads the instructions is called a browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari.
Browser. Say it with me. Browser. Good job!
Okay, friends, it's time to write some HTML. Watch this. How we start? We are going to use an online notepad to write HTML. First, ask a parent to help you open your browser. Go to CodePen.io or log in. 3. Once logged in, go to CodePen.io/pen. When you open that link, you will see 3 blocks. The 3 blocks you'll see on CodePen. Today, we will only use the HTML block. Ignore the other 2 for now. I'm going to type something called a tag. Tags are special HTML words wrapped in pointy brackets. This is the H1 tag. H for heading. 1 means it's the biggest heading of all.
Now I type what I want the heading to say. And then I close the tag with a little slash, like closing a door. Ready? Let's see what happens. Wow!
Whoa! Did you see that? I wrote instructions, and the computer made a big heading. We made a web page! Now it's your turn. I want you to make a heading with your name. Type this exactly. Your name here. Replace your name here with your real name.
Type it slowly. Take your time. When you run it, your name will be huge on screen.
Did you see it? That's your web page. You made that. You're already a coder.
Okay, friends, let's remember what we learned today.
A web page is like a storybook page. Waha! But inside a computer. HTML is the invisible instructions that tell the computer what to show.
And we used our very first tag, the H1 tag, to make a big heading. Next time, we'll learn about something called the closing tag and why it matters. See you then, friends. Go ahead and keep coding.